Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by Jamaican 4 million or US $25.3 thousand. Nestled in the mid to upscale community of Sun Valley, St. Thomas, is this stunning bungalow that is perfect for those seeking a serene country lifestyle with the convenience of city proximity. Located just 2 minutes from the new highway in St. Thomas and 20 minutes from Kingston, this 5 bedroom, 5.5 bathroom home offers an ideal blend of tranquility and accessibility. As you step inside, you are greeted by exquisite tongue and groove wooden tray ceilings that adds a touch of elegance throughout the house. The spacious kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring a large island and storage, perfect for both everyday cooking and entertaining, while the nearby home office provides a quiet space for work or study. The huge master suite is a true retreat, complete with a spa-like bathroom that promises relaxation. Outside, the manicured lawn is adorned with beautiful flowers and shrubs. The land area is approximately 0.21 acres. With the charm of a country setting and the convenience of being near Kingston, this property offers the best of both worlds. It is a gorgeous, spacious, move-in ready home that takes advantage of the growing opportunities in St. Thomas. The house is suitable for a growing family or returning residents. Don't miss the opportunity to call this your home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is Jamaican, 55 million or US, $348,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.